Observe the breathing now. Let it flow with the water. Inhale. As you exhale, letting it flow with the water. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly see if you can shift the awareness from the breath to the sound of the river, the flowing water. I know there are other sounds which you can hear, maybe birds, and even my voice. See if you can keep your focus, attention only on the sound of the water. See how it's calming the mind, and also how it's bringing the concentration. If it's not happening, you'll have to do it deliberately to calm the mind, just following the sounds around you. Relax the efforts of concentrating on the sound and see what you can learn from the river again. It can fit into narrow streams, the wide streams. And constant effort on moving forward to reach the destination and not bothered about narrow stream or wide stream. So like the same way, narrow streams are challenging situations in our life. Broad streams are happy situations in our life. Irrespective of the challenging situations or overwhelming situations in our life, we are supposed to strive to move forward to reach the destination. Visualize you following a path of the river and see how it's changing the shapes and adjusting to the width of the river, the water adapting to the changes. Yet moving forward. And leaving all the past behind, adapting to the changes, moving forward to reach the goal, reach the destination. Keeping that in mind whenever you get a challenging situation in life or overwhelming situation. not getting stuck there, adjusting to it and moving ahead. Somehow making a way out to move out of that, like the water does. With that positivity, let us end today's session with one Omkara, Sri Shanti. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently open palms, look into palms, open eyes. If you need to rub your palms, please feel free to do it, because you have closed your eyes for a long time. And gently open your eyes, looking into your palms, not into any direct light. Yes, release your hands.